How's it, Sean? It's better. We're here with Ole Miss quarterback Bo Wallace. Bo, first of all, just kind of assess your own performance against Tulane on Saturday, if you would.
Yeah, it wasn't good at all. I didn't protect the football. Didn't deliver the ball like I should have. Just wasn't good at all. Have to be better this week.
Was it anything that you were seeing Tulane do defensively that was causing that?
No, I mean, they were very plain and simple. I knew what they were going to do before they did it every time, but just wasn't delivering the football and wasn't taking care of it.
You end the ball game, got a little ice on your shoulders. How's the shoulder going?
It's better. It's better. Optimistic about it. Be in the training room all week. So.
Facing that Alabama defense this coming Saturday, what's going through your mind about Alabama? What are you going to have to need to do Saturday night against them?
I mean, obviously they're a great defense. I've watched a couple of cut-ups on them, so don't really know exactly what they do. But obviously they're a physical defense and somebody we have to prepare really good for.
Coach Freeze said something about you told him after the Tulane game that you probably weren't as prepared as you needed to be. What goes into that? What happens there when you're not, or why weren't you?
Yeah, I thought I was prepared for it. Like I said, I mean, I knew what they were going to do. It just, I didn't show up to play, and when I talked to him, I apologized for, maybe the lack of focus I had during the week and things. So, just apologizing to him for the way I played.
Is it kind of lesson learned?
Yeah, for sure, 100%. Definitely got to be more focused just on Mondays and Tuesdays and throughout the week, and definitely when you wake up on Saturday, a little better focus.
Does anything go into that, or is it just kind of locking in when you're there?
Just locking in, yeah. Just locking in and just getting your mind mentally prepared for it.
How was the shoulder yesterday?
It was tight. It was real tight. I'm optimistic about it, so we'll get in there and get it worked on.
How much did it affect you during the game?
A lot. I heard it probably the second or third drive, and then really in the third quarter took a hit on it. And after that, I told him I couldn't go anymore.
When you heard it, was it on a hit or a throw or what?
Yeah, it was on a hit. It was on a hit. Just got hit right on it, and then when I really heard it, it was just his helmet was right on it. So
just stiffen up on it?
Yeah, stiff. I didn't have a lot of range of motion yesterday in it, but it's better today. And
I know your offense you're required to run, and sometimes you break that some linebackers. But is there any thought like when you get there, maybe to try to get down a little bit more, try to protect yourself more?
Yeah, I had to.
Because you try to power through guys and leave yourself open to take shots.
Yeah, I definitely. With the guys that we're going to be playing against the rest of the year, I definitely got to start picking my spots to just fall and not worry about gaining 3 more yards. Just fall and get ready for the next play.
Have you hurt your shoulder like in the past, where you might know how it wouldn't proceed as it goes?
No, I've never been injured or anything like that, so it's the first time.
He says your right shoulder.
Yeah.
So it stiffened up to the point where you couldn't throw?
Yeah.